Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you Chapter 3 Polynomials. This is a part 1 video on this polynomials. In this part 1, we are going to learn polynomials, general form of a polynomial, degree of the polynomial, types of polynomial. In these types of polynomials, there are two types. A, according to number of terms. In this monomial, binomial, trinomial. B, according to degree. In this, according to degree, constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, nth degree polynomial. Next, value of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial. Let us learn one by one. First, polynomial. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variable involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. For example, 2x plus 3, 5x square plus 9x plus 11, 3y cube minus 4 are polynomials. Second example, 1 by x square, 1 by y minus 1, square root of 5x cube are not polynomials. These are not polynomials. Why these are not polynomials? Because we can see x to the power of minus 2, negative integral power. Here also y minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. This is root 5 x to the power of 3 by 2. That's why 1 by x square, x to the power of minus 2, negative integral power, 1 by y minus 1 means 1 minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So this is also negative integral power. Square root of 5x cube, that is equal to root 5 x to the power of 3 by 2. This is a fraction, 3 by 2. The power is a fraction. That's why these are not polynomials. Now, standard form of polynomial. Let x be a variable n be a positive integer and a0, a1, a2 and so on, an minus 1, an are constants constants means real numbers, then polynomial x is equal to a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on a n minus 1 x plus a n is a variable in is a polynomial in x variable. In this polynomial a0 x to the power of n, a1 x to the power of n minus 1, a2 x to the power of n minus 2 and so on a n minus 1 x a n are terms of the polynomial, and a0 a1 a2 and so on a n minus 1 a n are coefficients of a polynomial. Degree of the polynomial, the highest power of x in a polynomial p of x is called the degree of the polynomial, the highest power. For example, p of x is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 3. In this x square, this power of this x is 2, 1, so here 0. So in this highest power is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is 2. One more example. Degree of 3y power 7 plus 2 is 6. Types of polynomial. A. According to number of terms. A polynomial containing only one term is called monomial. A polynomial containing only one term is called monomial. Example, 2x 5y 7x square yz etc. These all are monomials. Second, binomial. A polynomial containing two terms. A polynomial containing two terms is called binomial. Example, 2x plus 7, 5x square plus 3, 9y cube plus 7, etc. A polynomial containing 3 terms is called trinomial. A polynomial containing 3 terms is called trinomial. Example, x square plus 5x plus 3, 7x cube plus 3x plus 4, 9z plus 4z plus 9z to the power of 4 plus 4z plus 3, etc. These all are trinomials. Types of polynomial according to degree. According to degree, there are constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, and nth degree polynomial. Let us learn one by one. Constant polynomial. Constant. A polynomial of degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Example, p of x is equal to 2, p of y is equal to minus 1 by 7. These are constant polynomial, here degree 0. We can observe like this: degree p of x is equal to 2x to the power of 0. Like this we can take. Here also p of y is equal to minus 1 by 7 y to the power of 0. If there is no variable, we can take like this: x to the power of 0, y to the power of 0, that variable to the power of 0. Next, second one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, p of y is equal to 7y minus 12. So here degree 1. So these are a linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 are called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, p of x is equal to 9x square plus 7x plus 4. P of y is equal to 8x square minus 2. The power is, highest power is 2. So that is degree, that is called degree. So here in this also degree 2, in this also degree 2. So these are example for quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example, cubic polynomial. Example, p of x is equal to 5x cube plus 7x plus 2. P of y is equal to 7y cube minus 3. These are cubic polynomials. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Example, p of x is equal to 2x to the power of 4 minus 3. P of z is equal to 7z to the power of 4 plus 2z minus 11. So these are examples for biquadratic polynomial. Next, polynomial of nth degree or nth degree polynomial. A polynomial of degree n is called a polynomial of nth degree. Polynomial of nth degree. Example or standard form, p of x is equal to a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on a n minus 1 x plus an. Here a0 not is equal to 1, not is equal to 0. So this is a nth degree polynomial in x variable. Value of the polynomial. What is the value of the polynomial? If p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is a real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x. At x is equal to k and it is denoted by p of k. For example, value of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 2 is 8 at x is equal to 2, value of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 2 at x is equal to is, we have to substitute in place of x 2. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, minus 2, so 4 minus 8 minus 4. This is the value of p of x at x is equal to 2. Zeros of the polynomial. A real number k is said to be a zero of the polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. To find the zeros of the polynomial, we have to equal the polynomial to 0. For example, zero of the polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 2. This is a linear polynomial. So for this we can identify, if we substitute minus 2, we can get to the, this 0. So by observing only we can identify the zero of the polynomial is minus 2. Next, one more example. Zero of the polynomial p of y is equal to x minus 5 is plus 5 for y minus p of y it is. So y minus 5 is 5. If we substitute in place of y, we will get the 0. So zero of the polynomial y minus 5 is 5. One more example. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. To find the zeros of the polynomial, we have to equal this polynomial 0. So x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is p of x is equal to 0. We can factorize this. 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6. Minus 6 is equal to 2. 3 are 6. 2 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. This is middle term. So x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. In this x is common. X plus 2. In this 3 is common. 3 2's. X minus 2. Sorry, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 again common. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3. Therefore, it has two zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial are minus 2, 3. So it is a quadratic polynomial. That's why it has two zeros. Without doing also, we can identify zeros of the polynomial for a linear polynomial. Example, polynomial zeros of the polynomial. X minus a, this is a polynomial. It has 1 0 of the polynomial a, x plus a minus a, ax plus b minus b by a, ax minus b plus b by a. So how to get this ax plus b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus b, x is equal to minus b by a. We got it. So like this we can say without doing this process also. A constant polynomial has no zeros. A linear polynomial has 1 0. A quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. A cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. A polynomial of nth degree has at most n zeros. A constant polynomial has no zeros. Example, p of x is equal to 2. It has no zero. A linear polynomial has 1 0. Example, p of x is equal to x plus 5. It has 1 0. A quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. At most means sometime has 1 also. Maximum 2 zeros. A cubic polynomial has at most 3 zeros. A polynomial of nth degree has at most n zeros. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon. Then only you will get my updated videos, and also share it to your friends to help them, and also encourage me to do more interesting videos.